we define subgroup. Subgroup. What is the definition of subgroup? Let H be a non-empty subset of a group G with binary operations post star, then H is called subgroup of G if H is group itself with same operation, So the main line, the result which we need to grasp on, H is group itself and the operation remain same. H is group itself. So this part we have to remember. For example, if I say G is a group which contains the element 1, -1, I and -I, we already know that this is a group with respect to multiplication. This is a group with respect to, and our operation we are taking multiplication. So this is group. Now if I take subsets of this group, then many subset I can take. I can say this is a subset, this is a subset, this is a subset, this is a subset, this is iota. Similarly, many other. Anyway, now actually there are many subsets, but our interest is which subsets are subgroup. That means we have to check that with the operation multiplication, independently they should satisfy all the four properties of group. All the four properties of group. So this result, if I take H is equal to only contain the element 1, what you say? With respect to multiplication, this is a subgroup, because if I multiply 1 with itself, I get 1, so it is closed, associative it is, and inverse identity is itself. So here we can say simply, or I write is H operation is multiplication and in H only one element. Then by Cayley table simply we can say our operation is this and element is only 1. So I get 1. How many times I multiply? I always get 1. So it is closed, obviously. Closure satisfied. Number 2, associativity also can be checked easily. Number 3, identity. What is identity? Obviously 1 is identity. Number 4, inverse. Inverse of 1 is itself, because 1 into 1 I get identity. So all four properties are satisfied. So H is subgroup. Now if I extend this to minus 1 minus 1, then also we easily can check. Our operation is multiplication. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, this is multiplied, and this is minus 1, and minus 1 minus 1 is 1. This is again closure. So closure is satisfied. Similarly, associativity can be checked easily. Third, identity is 1, identity is 1/4 inverse. Inverse of 1 is 1. Inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Now one more question come in my mind. Okay, I prove that. So first here H is subgroup. H is subgroup. Again, if I say this element I replace iota, what happen? Iota. Then by Cayley table, 1 iota, 1 iota, 1 iota. Now iota is multiplied, this is iota and this is iota iota minus 1. Now this minus 1 come here, which is not element of H. Hence H is not group. H is not group. So like this we can prove more for other. That means you have to remember the definition that H is subgroup, it is group itself.